Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tutorial UI. In this episode, we will be learning how to bleed on Canva. To add bleed in Canva, open your Canva application first. Make sure that you're logged into your account, and once it is done, go ahead and open up an existing design or add a new design you want to add bleed to. After opening up a design, go to the top of the screen and click on the three dots. In the expanded menu, click on Settings. Now, click on Show Print Bleed. After you choose Show Print Bleed, a dotted line will appear near the edges of your design. This will show the bleed area. You can now drag any background images, colors, or other design element slightly beyond the dotted bleed line. This will ensure that your design will cover the entire printed area after trimming. So that's how you easily do it. I hope the video was helpful. If it was, make sure to give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to Tutorial UI for more Canva tips and tricks. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.